Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Good. I hope everybody living the best life that they can. Today, we will be taking looks at the Puxinat. I know I'm butchering it. Projector. If you see me looking down to the side, that just means I'm looking at my notes. I'm not using my teleprompter today. I've been having some issues ever since I upgraded to the iPad 10. I had the iPad 7, that's a 10.2. I had no issues reading from the teleprompter. It says it takes up to 11-inch pad. That's not quite right because I have a 10.9 and the wording is a little bit off the edges. I don't see, can I fix it? Maybe a little adjustment or something. But right now I ain't got time for all that, so I digress. Let's get back to what we doing. Oh yeah, this projector. This projector. Let's see what we get in the box. Is a audio video input cable, 3.5 TRS to RCA, HDMI cable, a remote with no batteries. Usually a product provides you with batteries, and the remote looks like the same remote that goes with my Monster TV bar. It looks like the same that goes with the Fire Stick as well. Maybe it's coming out the same company. A lens cap, owner's manual, power cable, a cleaning kit. There's like a little microfiber cloth with some Q-tips, and a 120-inch screen. Now let's take a look at the connectivity. Here we have a VGA, two USB ports, and HDMI port, TF card, audio video in, and headphone jack. On the top there are some buttons, but we'll get into that a little bit later. Let's get this hooked up and see what it do, and I'll talk about rest of the features. As you can see right now, I'm in a very bright room with my lights on, and the projector is not bad. You can see it pretty well. Using the divided screen, I think the picture would be much better if I had a more expensive screen that's a little bit thicker, that reflect more of the light. The screen that's provided with the projector is very thin, and some of the light just passes right through it. I have a black background behind this screen. This is usually why I shoot my videos. And as you can see, the screen doesn't look really white, a little off-white, I would say, a little dark. But let's turn the lights out. And that's a whole lot better. I can see it very well. The text look very sharp. It was very easy to set up this projector and get the angle and focus correct. Now let's talk about more of the features. This projector claims to have 500 ANSI lumens. That's equivalent to, I believe, 15,000 lumens. It also has Bluetooth 5.1. You can connect an external speaker or TV bar. It has a 10,000 to 1 contrast. It also has Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Also, it has dual speaker design for better sound. It sounds okay, but it's nothing to write home about. Since we're on the subject of sound, I don't know if you can hear in the background, this projector is a little noisy, but not too noisy if you have audio playing. Now, let's get my iPad connected because it does support mirroring from iOS devices and Android devices. Now, to set up screen mirroring is very easy. Once you connect the projector to your Wi-Fi and your iOS or Android device to the same Wi-Fi, you should be able to mirrorcast very easily. As you can see the menu here, you can do from USB. You can select sources like VGA or HDMI. Here's some of the projector settings. You can set up network, Bluetooth, system settings, and projector settings. System settings is this what you see here: language, local update, online update, Bluetooth, software version, and factory reset. Here, the projector settings. You can set up, Wi-Fi power and projection mode. So what we want to do, you can read right off on the TF card. You can do mirrorcast, like from your computer or Android device, and here from iOS. I'm sorry about that. I had some difficulty disconnecting my iPad from my TV. That was kind of strange. I had to power it off and power it back on. But looking at this picture quality, it's not bad. This projector is 1080p native, but it will accept the signal up to 4K. I will mention again, it's 500 ANSI lumens, 10,000 to 1 contrast. Right now it's mirror casting from my iPad. And again, the projector is a little bit noisy, but not too bad once you turn up the volume. And this projector do get pretty loud. Also, you can connect your Bluetooth speaker or TV bar. This has Bluetooth 5.1. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.